Welcome back to the Pterodactyl Justify. We do have 87 coming in. Clear signal on the approach to Stratford.
7 clear to Stratford West.
And I'm trying something a little bit different tonight. We are at the crossing for the entire time. And, plus who knows if they're gonna have a station stop tonight or not. I'm just gonna check on something on the scanner. Just checking to see if I had my delay on. I did not, so because what happens if I don't have the delay on, the vacation won't go off fully. So yeah, it just the vacation won't go quiet. Will go off. Yeah. I hope this is something new, but I doubt it. He's coming close.
SM87 right side, stop at Stratford, over. Okay, right side, 87.
Okay, so despite it being really quiet tonight, there is business. And we do have our 912. I am planning to get 84 tomorrow morning at a different spot, but it is going to be the last 84 I'll be catching. More track works being in place next weekend, so I won't get it for 2 weeks afterwards. What if the business class car, I don't know if it's 3476 or not, but what if it has, yeah, it has the gates go down in advance. What if the business class car, I don't know if it's 3476 or not, what if it has a poppy? That would be really interesting. Okay, well, we will pause. And away they go!
Location 8861, crossing activated.
87 closed and secured.
But a different spot is planned tomorrow morning. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell, say next slide.
Station 8861, crossing deactivated.